Here's how to delete all Docker images at once. If your image list has become bloated, this is how to clean it up. Just so you know, an image is just a template, a set of instructions used to create containers. Deleting an image won't break anything that's currently running. Let me show you how it works. First, in Docker Desktop, click Images in the left sidebar. Every image on your machine is listed here. Make sure the local tab is selected. That filters the view to show only the images stored on your computer. Now look for the checkbox in the table header. Click it to select every image at once, so you don't have to click each one individually. Images that are used by running or stopped containers can't be deleted. Docker blocks that on purpose so you don't break anything by accident. So before you delete the images, clear those containers first. If a container is still using an image, Docker won't let you remove it. Head over to the Containers section in the sidebar. You'll see all your running and stopped containers there. Select them all, then click Delete to remove them. Confirm the deletion. Once the containers are gone, the images they were using are no longer protected. Go back to Images, select everything again, click Delete, then Confirm. That permanently removes those images and frees up their disk space. What if you want a completely clean slate? There's a deeper option. At the top, next to the search bar, click the Troubleshoot icon, which looks like a circle with a question mark. Then inside, click Clean Up Data. The selected data will be removed. These are different places where Docker stores its files. Be careful. If there's nothing you want to keep, just select all of them. This removes everything, including images, containers, and caches. Make sure there's nothing you want to keep before you run it. Use this when you want Docker Desktop to feel like a fresh install. One more warning. This action can't be undone, so double check before you confirm. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.